Hi everyone, it's Genene here with a yogic dynamic stretching sequence, which means one breath per movement. We're working with mobility in the shoulders. So how would you work mobility in the shoulders? Today specifically, we're going to be working with arms behind the back, which is probably something you're not doing in your daily life. I'm just going to guess. Let's get started. To begin stretching our shoulders, let's begin on our bellies. And it's also going to give you the opportunity to do some really fun back strengthening. You're going to lie down on your bellies with your arms by your sides, and I'll give you options if you want to just make this about the arms and no back work. Palms are going to be face up. And then you're going to turn the leg bones in, so all 10 toenails are pressing down into the earth. You feel the pubic bone on the floor, and if you don't, you lengthen the leg. Now, inhale your arms in the air. What you can do is keep your forehead on the ground the entire time, okay? If you want to work more, if you're ready to strengthen your back, you're going to keep yourself up the whole time, your choice. And then you're simply inhaling the arms behind you. Exhale, float them in the air. So this whole time they don't touch the floor. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel the shoulder blades gently moving a little more onto the spine. Inhale, exhale. You want this a little more challenging, you lift higher. Inhale and exhale, but we'll lift with the heart and not with the neck. The neck has a lot of mobility. It gives you the impression you've lifted up when you haven't. Now, bring your arms out to the sides, thumbs point up to the sky. Now you're in a T. And you're going to lift your arms up and then back to neutral. Up, inhale, exhale, back to neutral. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, holding for a breath. Arms are going to bend, so you're in sort of a W. And then you bring the arms away from the floor, back to neutral. Inhale, exhale, release the neck and shoulder tension. Use more back work. Inhale and exhale. And 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now you have choices. You can stay here. If this is your edge, stay here. Or bring your arms up into a V. Thumbs are pointing up to the sky here. And you can always keep your pinky fingers here and then lift up. Try to keep your arms lifted as you lift a little higher and then lower. Again, always forehead on the ground is an option as you lift up and down. Up and down. Up, down. Use your inhale to lift yourself higher. 1 more. Keep the arms lifted. Bring those arms in. So now you're forming a big capital I. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now keep yourself lifted. Bring your hands all the way behind the back. Clasp the hands. Now this should be easier. Palms come towards each other as much as it is appropriate for you to keep the shoulders open. So you don't want to round the shoulders forward just to get your palms together. Now, inhale, lift your spine up. and the arms up. And exhale, lower down. So you can always, again, keep your forehead on the ground or lift up, inhale, exhale, lower. Inhale and exhale. So you're lifting up with the heart, again, not the eyes. And exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, stay here. Switch your hand clasp. Stay lifted. And again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep taking the pubic bone forward and up towards your heart. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale and exhale. And you've earned a little rest. Hands underneath forehead. Take a breath in. And exhale all your air out. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Press yourself up. Sit down, either cross-legged or sitting down in Vajrasana, sitting on your heels. You can do Gomukhasana legs, one thigh over the other, doesn't matter. Feet wide so you can sit down. And I'll let you know when to go to the other side. Grab a strap. Forgot to tell you. And it could be a belt, a towel, whatever you have on hand. And you're going to take the strap in your hands in front of you, maybe super wide if you're tight, or closer together if you're not as tight. The trick is to keep your spine in neutral and use your breath. Inhale, arms overhead, and exhale, arms back and down. And then inhale to come back up, and exhale, down. As you keep moving with this, all these are from my Gomukhasana series. So this one in particular from the one having to do with using the strap. So I'll link that down below and the whole series as well. Let's do one more just like this. And exhale. So see how there's that tendency to draw the head forward. Keep it on in between your shoulders. Inhale up and forward. Now we'll focus on the upper arm. Okay, for the next one, change the cross of your legs, if you did that, for Gomukhasana legs. Inhale, arms overhead. So for this one, just play. You're either going to keep your arms really wide and just focus on bringing, for example, on this one, you're going to bring your left arm close to the left ear. And then that right arm is going to help you by pulling to the side and back. And maybe that's all you do. That's a lot. If you want to go a little bit deeper, then see if you could walk the hands closer. The right hand can come a little closer. And you're here reaching, straightening the back, the right arm back. Yeah. Bending the left elbow now. Swing it in and towards the left ear and reaching down with your right arm to get a nice little stretch. And then keeping that right shoulder back. And then inhale, come up, and exhale, other side. Back, like straight arm, or bend, narrower, and draw back. And you can keep making that strap narrower and narrower until you clasp your hands behind for full Gomukhasana arms. One more each side, just like that. Either arm stays straight or it bends, whichever you've decided. Pull down. And other side. Oops. And over to the other side. And then bend or not. Inhale up. And lower that strap down in front of you. So I'll link all those Gomukhasana videos down below if you want to go deeper into the shoulders. Particularly, there's one called shoulders. There's one with the strap. Another great one with the chair for shoulders. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my video, clicking on the subscribe button there. And also, make sure you like this video. It lets me know I'm doing a good job and you want more like this. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to working with you soon. Namaste.